Hey beauties, look at that beautiful afro extension I made from home. Yes, you can do it too. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're highly welcome. If you love hairstyle videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to put the thumbs up whenever I upload a video. You will get a notification right away. Let's jump into the details. For this hairstyle, you only need three things. One, two, three, nothing more. First of all, number one, you need a crochet. Two, you need the extension, your afro extension. Number three, you need the cap. Three things, and that's it. So after having your three things, sit down and make your hair. First of all, I like to apologize. I don't have a dummy, but I have my hands that I can use to make my extension. Like I said, you don't need to have everything to look good. With the little you have, you can slay. So let's dive in. As you see in the video, I'm stuffing my extension. So the afro I have, I'm using, it's called Kinky Afro, I think Kinky Extension, something like that. And then I did not cut the hair. I'm just using the same length, the same size that I found, because I need to have a big and long extension at the end. That's why I'm using it like that. But if you want something shorter still, you can go with the option of what? Cutting. So as you see there, I have I'm almost done. And yes, that's a great achievement, by the way. Almost done. It took me a long time to fill in this, but yes, here the victory moment has come. So as you see, it's already full and it's looking good, and this is the volume that I need for the hair to look like. And at this moment, if you think of having it really looking this curly, I'm sure that you will be done by this time after you fill in everything. But of course, if you need it to look like somehow stretchy or somehow longer, of course you have to stay with me for a long more process to come. Yes, for a lot more process to come. So I keep going on to fill in to make sure that I don't have a gap in the hair, and the cap has to be full. You know, you don't need to wear your wig and then a little bit of wind come and blow it, and then some big space remain empty. It will be looking so silly. But yes, so you have to make sure that everything is filling well. You understand? Yes. So I am really taking my time to make sure I fill in very well, because there is that temptation that come in between that will be like, oh, it's already full, just leave it. But I am really taking my time to fill in this very well, and you should too. And when it comes to the tightening of the hair, make sure you tie it very well, so that later on it cannot come out by itself, or maybe you're combing it and then it just poof out. You do not need that. And look carefully how I'm inserting the needle or the hook. So careful, look at that. I insert in the hole, and then the hole is very tight, but I am trying my best to make sure that to insert and not to cut off or tear the cap. Okay, so be careful when you are inserting the hair, the hook or whatever the thing you're doing. You don't need to tear up the thing. So having that in mind, remember that if you're having kinky hair on your hair, or you're growing your natural hair, always make sure that water and conditioner is your friend. Always keep that in mind at any given time. Yes, guys, with that I think I am done. As you see in the video, the hair is looking puffy and full of the volume is good, and it's just, look at that. So at this point, if you're done, you don't want to have a stretchy one, at that point you are okay. But if you want it to look like this, as you see in the camera right now, you will dip it in hot water, and after that comb it and make sure it's dry. Okay, make sure it's dry and then comb, and you will have that as you see in the video. So that's all that I have done, and I hope this video was helpful, and if it does, please give me a thumbs up and follow for more videos. And for now, I'll say bye. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get notified. Bye bye.